Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I self braid my hair. I'm gonna be using this extension. I did cut two. I'm gonna be using this hair food, shea butter. This shea butter I made it myself and it's super rich. It has clove fenugreek seeds in it. You can see I have my lemon water here that I'll be drinking in case I get thirsty. And because my hair is a natural hair, I'm gonna be using spray water to spray my hair. This contains just water and olive oil. Using this tail comb and this to comb the extension I'll be working with. I'll also be using this clip my hair well so it doesn't come in between my braids. Here is my braid station. I'll be using our wardrobe mirror. I also have an additional mirror that I'll be placing behind me. I've also arranged all the extension I'll be using properly brushed and hanged for easy access and management. I already started braiding the hair. Let me show you guys what I've braided. So on the first day, I started by 4 p.m. and by 7 p.m. I just had to pack everything into my bonnet to continue the following day. And here is the progress I made within 3 hours. I tried, right? Yes. Without saying so much, let's dive straight into today's video. That's my husband behind me. He's making sure that this project is well executed. So guys, if you're looking for a detailed video of how I self-braid my hair, please, I made a video on my channel and I'm going to be linking it up so you can click on it. Because of the fear of detangling, I refuse to loosen all my hair. So I'm just losing my hair one at a time to braid. I actually promised myself I'm going to do a storytelling alongside this video. I just get surprised when I see people saying that, oh, they're ashamed of doing some tax abroad. Ashamed care. If I want to go to the salon to braid my hair, I know how much I'm going to spend here in the UK. I started making my hair by myself, right from South Korea. Even though it's time consuming, I know I'm braiding my own hair at my own pace and I can manipulate my hair anyhow I want. I'm not going to be scared of saying, oh, this hair is paining me. I'm scared of losing the hair because I spend so much money to make the hair. So when I moved to UK, I remember not getting a job immediately. I started telling friends and family, church members that, oh, I make hair. And guys, I made hair for over 15 clients. I wasn't charging them small money because I had to go online to check how much they make hair in the UK, and those styles I was making then were box braid, knotless braid, tiny ones. I was making twists, and some people I charged them as high as £100, £150 because I was using my extension alongside. Mind you, hair prices varies in different parts of UK. I was living in central London at that time and I know how much it costs to make hair. Before I even started making hair for people, I remember going to the salon to just go make cornrow because then I was still heavily pregnant. And I remember them charging me £60 for cornrow. That cornrow was not good. The second one was that I had severe hair loss. You know how it is for you to lose hair in pregnancy, combined with the fact that the girl was just manipulating my hair anyhow. I couldn't say anything because I was a novice in the UK. I don't want to shout. I just kept my cool, made the hair. When I got home, I think after 2 days, I took off that braid. And I told myself that I shall continue making my own hair myself. So to cut long story short, I started making hair for people. People come to my house to make hair and I made over £1,000 in less than 15 braids. That period, I was not asking myself that should I just start making people's hair, but I had to just think of so many stress attached to it and also my career. So I was just contemplating. I was like, okay, should I just open a salon for people to start making hair with me? But where is the resources? So as time went on, I created a corner in my house where I have my clients. I created an Instagram page. I make people's hair. I still make people's hair now, but now it's now selected. Like I select my clients because I have kids. I'm a full-time working mom. So the bottom line of this story is that before you think of migrating to any country, please learn a skill. That skill might be what will put food on your table before you get settled into that country. And the skills I had, like photography, hair making, tailoring, all those skills were what came handy for me. So that's all for the story. At this moment, I was done braiding the hair. I was just The only thing left for me was to braid the remaining hair to the tip. In total, it took me about 2 days to make this hair, but those 2 days were not full days. And here is me the third day. I was so happy that I was done braiding the hair, and you can see how beautiful this hair is. This hair got me over 10 clients, and I charge £80 for this hair with my own extension, because why not? So at this point, I was thinking of what colors to do for the tip of this hair. And the colors I had in mind was these bold colors, but I don't really know how to go about it. And I tried using different apparatus to get the colors, but it didn't work out. And the only apparatus that really helped me got the colors I wanted was our tissue roller holder. Like, that was what really helped me get the colors I wanted. So before I went ahead to put this hair into hot water, I first of all added some conditioner and oil on the tip of my hair just to keep the hair soft and moisturized. This is me trying to get a coil using a Red Bull container to just make a coil on the hair, but it didn't work out. And the next thing I did was to use our kitchen tissue holder, and that one really worked for me. And guys, just keep watching the screen and you can see how the coils came out. So I made a video on this channel on the skills you should learn before migrating to the UK. I'm gonna link it up. So I went ahead to dip the hair into hot water, and the coils came out. You can see how the coils are. I didn't really release these coils until the hair was at least properly dried, so that the weight of the water will not pull the coils of the hair down. And here is it on the screen. You can see how beautiful the coils came out. So guys, if you're still here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, you don't like my video, you don't share, you don't comment, please repent today. Please repent today. Go ahead, comment, like, and share, and in that way YouTube will recommend this video to others. And I want you guys to comment down in the comment section what you're gonna rate me for this braid. And guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, I forgot, I didn't even introduce myself in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Gold. On this channel I share info about UK, life in the UK, skincare, beauty, motherhood, and many more. Without saying so much, that is the end of the video. Oh, shout out to my hubby for all the support during the making of my hair. I truly appreciate you. God bless you.